Today we are going to talk about this Olight Open 3. Brent sent me to make video for you guys. As you see, this has 4th of July a theme. Looks really nice, very cool. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we have inside the package. So once you take it out from the package, this is what you are going to see. You have this nice cover and you can see you just pull this out and looks really nice, very cool looking. You have a bunch of warning things to read through. You can just take this off just like that, and you have another thing. It says when off, double press to turn on the red light. So that's what we have. Let's take this off, and you can see you have this built-in light over here on the spring-loaded clip. So you can see the clip is really nice and strong, and you can turn it off just like that. And if you press and hold, that's what it says, right? So the way you would charge, you can see you open this half through, if I don't remember wrong from the description. Yeah, just like that. You can see once you just twist, this will expose the type C. And is there a cable? You have a cable over here. uh, Looks like regular USB type C. You have additional refill. I think you get one. So yeah, and this has the light on the, so we can just get rid of this. Oh, so this has a light over here, supposed to. So let's close this. Once you try to close, you gotta push a little bit to just engage with the thread. So once you do that, it will just close and it will stay like this. And the way you expose the tip, you can see you have this over here. Once you do that, it just exposes the tip, and the tip looks really I think it's fine. So let's go ahead and write something. All right. Yeah, it writes really nicely. You can see it just glides really nice and smooth. And over here we have the laser light. So once you point, you should be able to navigate through. So once you press this, you will be able to activate the laser. And on the other side, that should turn on the tip. You can see. So this will look really nice. You can see you can write anything while you are in dark. Oh, that glides really nicely. So you can see it has the light over here has 120 lumen, so that is pretty decent for the size of the pen. So this is packed with lots of cool features. You can see you will be able to also write it down. Maybe I turn off the light. So as you can see, this is at night. This is the only light right now around here. With the camera, when I point it down, it shows like it's exposing lots of light, but in reality, without the camera, I can easily see what I am writing down. I am able to see, but with the camera, you guys think that it is too bright, but it just allow me to write down whatever I want, so I can easily see, and I don't have any trouble seeing. So that is pretty nice, very decent. So once I switch to the clip, you can see this is you can easily identify if you are working in a dark place, like maybe you are checking some fuse box. You can easily just look around and just take a note. So the only thing that I see While this is on, the tip doesn't seems it's on. So let me see. Actually, we had another double. Oh, this is the lowest, and you have, once you press and hold, you can see, wow, this is much better actually. You can see uh, it is a lot brighter. So let me do that same action for the other one, so you can see. Does it do anything? It just turn it off. So yeah, that's only one settings for the tip. And once you want to turn on the laser, it will just turn on. If you have small cat, you can easily play. So overall looks really nice. So as you can see, this looks really nice. I really like the way they design. The handling side is really cool as well. Provides really nice, decent feature you can easily carry around with you. If you need a small flashlight, you can see you have really nice, cool settings for the brightness. So very easy to release. So uh, the only thing, you might just try to press this, that's not gonna work. Just remember to open from here. So overall looks really nice, very cool pen. I hope you guys found this useful.